Welcome to the second session of our course for this semester. This week, you're going to be doing some reading, taking notes, and having discussions online in order to write a collaborative short paper on a Google Doc with your reading response group. Right below this short video link in the Canvas session 2 this week is a box titled Read and Take Notes on Spring, Chapter 1. Click on this box to download a copy of the chapter that you'll be reading this week. Spring summarizes an historical look at educational purposes in America, followed by a look at various errors through a political, social, and economic lens. Reading this chapter should help you to deepen your own reflections that you began last week when you thought about what were the three main purposes for education, in your opinion. This is the first assignment that will help you refine your thinking and elaborate that might contribute to your culminating project at the end of this course. When you click on the last box on the Canvas Session 2, you will see directions for collaboration in a graded discussion assignment. You will be working as a group with your reading response team this week to discuss ideas online that you have and construct some paragraphs together in a Google Doc that will explain how some of Spring's ideas on the political, social, and economic purposes for education are at play in schooling in America today. You will choose different color fonts for each team member for what you're contributing in the collaborative Google Doc. So everyone in your group is making contributions to the final document. So this semester is the first time that ED 604 is being taught as a fully online course. So again, please let me know if you run into any questions or concerns in using the Google Doc collaboration assignment with your reading discussion group this week. You can email me or send a question or comment up to the Padlet that's at the top of this course. Can't wait to read your thoughts this week, so have a great one.